All right, Tess and John, this is what it's going to look like here. You got your list of units. There's the list. Here you are. There's your serial. There's your job name, board version, software. There's the communications. There's your space temperature, space humidity, and then there's the different. It's saying it's in the heating mode. That's in the cooling mode. That's dehumidification. That's occupied. And I think that's the fan blower running. Okay. If you click on this thing right here, this one here, it'll give you the graph. Again, it'll give you serial, model, version, all this stuff. And here's what you really need to look for: your conditions here. 85, 50, suppliers 95. Because the furnace is on, outside air is 59, supply fan running, minimum exhaust, we're at a minimum, and so these are the main things right here that you're looking for right here. You can go up to commands to tell it to stop and start. There's your main blower, there's your event mode. Okay. Here's your settings. You can come in here and make various settings, but you really shouldn't have to do anything there. It's all set up and ready to go. So there's your return air, AC disabled. Okay, so there's your ventilation, compressors, your network, and your notifications. I'm going to be getting the notifications for starters, but we'll be monitoring you guys for a couple weeks until this thing gets grooved in. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's see here. Tap here to stop recording.